Beginning Fair pulled the wraps off the all-new GV80 car. Well, it's not actually all new. The GV80 Roadster could be a more saucy, fast-backed form of the GV80 SUV that has served as the apex of the brand's SUV lineup since it debuted for the 2021 show year. The car offers the same inside's conveniences as the standard SUV, and their outside plans are to a great extent the same. Short the slanting roof, of course. The GV80 car is truly for individuals who need an SUV that puts fashion over extreme common sense. And since there's no deficiency of BMW X6 and Mercedes GLE car takers, it would appear there's bounty of room for one more like-minded crossover. The first ever 2025 beginning GV80 Roadster is driven by a supercharged 3.5 TESC powertrain, easily conveying invigorating execution. With its diving roofline and forceful forms, this vehicle is the extreme expression of Genesis' athletic class plan. The strong outside is complemented by an insides that reflects Genesis' exquisite magnificence of white space logic and racing-inspired properties. The vehicle moreover offers available 22-inch wheels and interesting color choices to specific singularity. The insides of the GV80 Roadster highlights a huge 27.0-inch computerized show that extends the lion's share of the dashboard, giving get-to infotainment and vehicle data. The cabin joins racier plan components than the normal GV80 SUV, counting a flat-bottomed controlling wheel and metal-accented throttle and brake pedals, pointing to form a sporty climate. The vehicle is additionally prepared with a 27-inch OLED show, sweeping cabin space, and high-end extravagance touches all through to guarantee each travel is an exceptional one.